Alright, Jay Woods here at KTAuthentics, Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're going to do another box of Star Wars for cardshark36. Dynasty personal boxes are $275. We're doing box 4 from the case. Good luck, Steven. We got Billy D. Williams on the back. Is that a live card? Yep, we got a sketch. We got a sketch. We got Mace Windu. And we got a Wampa. Wampa. Then we got Eth Koth. Sassy Tin. Jocasta Nu. Oh, that's a gold. 9 of 50. Holy hell. 9 of 50. Alright, Steven. Our sketch is a sideways sketch. We got Yoda and Luke Skywalker. 1 of 1 original sketch from the saga. Thing is nice. That is the person. I do not know who that is. Cannot recognize that signature. Nice pencil sketch. Got some color, some shading. Very nice sketch. Alright, and then we have another numbered card out of 99, Wicket. Wicket out of 99. I love how he's just not an Ewok, he has an actual name. Wicket is 73 of 99. And Billy D. Williams. Alright, thanks, Steven.